Hello everyone, my name is Imran and today I'm gonna show you how to make a program for any specific table using Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, I will open a folder in Jupyter Notebook as I have already opened it, and I will name the title of this folder as table of any number. Now here I will write my program. So first of all, I will assign a variable that will be table number, and I will assign it to integer parenthesis input parenthesis, and here I will write a string which will be shown during the runtime. So here I will write enter a table number. In the next line I will use the for loop for iteration in range parenthesis, and I will write the initial starting point that will be 1, comma the ending point that will be 11, and the colon, and here I will print table number, comma multiplication symbol, comma iteration, comma equals to, comma table number times iteration. So now I'm going to run this program. So as you can see, it asks me for my table number. So for example, I want table 7, so I'm going to enter it. So as you can see, it have shown me the table for that specific number as I have given it during the runtime. So I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.